not ready. Hold on.
Are you not ready? Hi guys, we are in my kitchen today and we are testing out a recipe. I wanted to test this recipe out before I actually made it for you guys. I am making a pan to the right. I am making a Mexican chicken and rice dish. What I forget what the name of this is called. It's called Pollo Loco or something like that. What?
Pollo.
Pollo. It's Pollo Loco. But we had this at our restaurant in our just a little town away, and it has become my favorite. And if I nail this recipe, it's going to be your favorite too, trust me. But what I've already done is I'm not doing the whole recipe for you. I'm just kind of sharing with what I'm doing here. If it turns out really good, then I will do a video of this recipe. But right now I'm just toasting my rice. I'm going to go ahead and add some liquid to it. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite recipes. Well, not recipe, it's one of my favorite foods at that place. So like I said, if this turns out really good, then I'll definitely be sharing a video with you as well. But it, you know, it appears pretty simple to make, so we'll see how it goes. You know, I like to put my spin on everything. All right, I want you to look down in here. I've got my rice cooking. Look at this. Ooh, look how good that looks. Notice I toasted my rice first. That is chicken stock and some tomato sauce and some good Southwest seasoning. So I've got that going. This is not instant rice. This is the kind of rice that you have to cook. So we're going to turn that down. We're going to set my timer for about 15 minutes, and we're going to check that. We're going to just let that go. We're not going to touch that at all. I want you to look at my chicken here. This chicken I marinated in some Southwest seasoning as well. And it smells so good. I've been marinating this for, Lord, almost an hour. And we're just going to grill this. And then I also made some pico de gallo. Pico de gallo. Did I pronounce that right? Pico de gallo. That's where it's going to go. They serve this, the pico de gallo, kind of on the side, and you also use a queso dip. So I got some queso dip. So like I said, I'm trying to mimic this recipe, and I'll show you what it looks like here in just a few minutes. Well, I don't know if this grill's supposed to be making this kind of noise.
Because the quesadilla, they do that.
That means it's ready. Now this should only take just a couple minutes on the grill, on this grill. I'd rather do it outside, but we've got that hurricane, the remnants of that, not hurricane, but that tropical storm that's coming through. It's pretty windy out. It's kind of weird because I live all the way in Ohio. And it's just moving up there. Look at the beautiful chicken. I grilled this in my George Foreman grill, or on my George Foreman grill. Look how beautiful that is. It's seasoned so well. I've already tasted of it. All right. Is the queso hot?
Oh, not really. Oh, big plate.
Of course you do.
Now, you put the rice on, then you put a little cheese, and then you put chicken. I want my people to get on the side, please.
This is You want your queso on your rice or no?
Just a teeny tiny bit.
Girl, I like it smothered in it. How much rice you want?
Why do you put it on the side? Put it in the middle.
Daisy, don't let her get a chicken. You want more rice than that?
Yeah.
Let's turn it down. Alright. Turn it down. You want it on top?
I want it on the side. I want it under the plate, please.
Smart ass. More?
Okay, that's fine.
Alright. Get back. Alright. You want your chicken
No.
on top?
No, I want the little piece. No, I'm
You want on the side?
no.
Jesus, you're getting on my nerves. You better not let your snot running in my plate here.
That's probably.
No, you want
I
your...
want my people to die on the side.
Look at these dogs.
I don't want much juice. Oh, girl, did you put corn?
No.
How well important that would be, you know what, it's fine.
All right, let's show the viewers. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Now we're gonna taste it for you. Here's your tea.
Girl, that's yours.
Okay, here's your tea. All right, guys. Now we're gonna do like a little taste test of my Pollo Loco. Did I pronounce it right? It looks delicious and it smells delicious, and it was so easy to make, so hopefully it's good. Let's look down at it. Look at that. It's got the cheese sauce right on top there, and the chicken and the cheese and the rice. Mmm. And Miss Daisy. Mm-mm. That is really good. And it's really good with the the pico. That is good. You like it? I'll definitely be sharing this recipe with you. The rice is perfectly seasoned too. Don't you think the rice is good? Alright, I'm gonna eat this and then I gotta cook dinner. I'm cooking, like I said earlier, I'm cooking some steaks for my husband for his birthday. So, I will remake this again and film the video for you. Look at it again. Now it looks like a pile of mush, a pile of mud. But it's really good. It's really, really good. Very flavorful. I think next time I'll cook the chicken outside on the grill instead of on my George Foreman, because the grill outside makes it a lot more tender. George Foreman grill just kind of smashes it together and lets all the juices squirt out of it, which is not good. So I hope you like this video. We were just doing some testing in my kitchen today. We want to make sure that we are bringing you quality recipes that you're going to love, and you're going to like this. You're going to love this. So I will see you soon. You know, I love you guys so very much, and see ya. Bye.